Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Today's video is going to be a follow-up video to the video I posted last Friday using this Resiners Airless bubble removal machine. I wanted to include a really quick clip showing you me removing the bubbles from my resin. Definitely go check out my full video. I'll link it down below in the description box. The machine's so easy to use. You just plug it in, it's ready to go. You don't need an air compressor or anything like that, and it gives you bubble-free resin, which is amazing. So I'm going to take out my resin here from the machine and we're going to do a quick little pour in it. I wanted to do an all clear project because that really can, make or break your project if your resin has bubbles in it or not. And I'm just going to fill up this mold here. This is a cute little mold I picked up off Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's got a holographic effect inside the mold. So anything you make inside this mold is going to turn out holographic. So I'm just filling up the little cavities here, and that's really going to be it. My resin had no bubbles. I didn't have to pop any bubbles. The airless machine works great. Let it cure for 24 hours, and here we are getting ready to take them out of the mold. This design is so cute, really fun. I got these to turn them into mini sun catchers. If you have seen any of my other videos, you know I love to make sun catchers with my resin creations. This one didn't throw too much of a rainbow pattern. But this one here did. When the sun shines through it, it will give you a really pretty rainbow pattern on the wall or wherever you have it hanging. You can kind of see on my background here the rainbow that's coming or reflecting off the piece. And the holographic is actually a micro texture, so you cannot top coat or pour over these in any way where it will make that holographic effect disappear, because that micro texture will be gone and then you will no longer have the holographic effect. And this one too threw a lot of really pretty rainbows. This piece and then the previous piece I demolded were the only ones that did that from this mold. But it's still a really fun mold, super cute. You could turn these into keychains. But check out how bubble free these are, super amazing. The airless machine works great. I highly recommend it. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might be available for pre-order right now. But definitely get one. It works fantastic to get the bubbles out of your resin, especially if you're making pieces with all clear. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely go check out my video I posted last week, step by step using the airless bubble removal machine. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.